Hello friends, on this video right I'm going to show you how to on and off Dalpat sound on Poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to move on setting. Okay, when you move on the setting, from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling like this, and here you can see the option of the sound and vibration. So friends, here you have to tap on the sound and vibration. Okay, when you move on the sound and vibration, you inside the sound and vibration setting you can see this, and from here again you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, and on the down you can see the option of additional setting. So friends, here you have to tap on the additional setting. Okay, inside the sound and vibration you can see the additional setting. When you tap on the additional setting you can see this screen. Okay, and from here you can see the first option is the dial path tones. Okay, so if you want to off the dial path sound, you just need to tap on this icon. Here the dial path sound will be off, and if you want to on the dial path sound, you just again click on this icon. Here the dial path sound will be on. Okay, if you want to off, again you just tap on this icon, it will off. If you want to on, again you just tap on this icon, it will be on. Okay, which one you prefer, you can off also, you can on also. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.